amazing. Everything from start to the finish, from production to the lighting to the sound to the direction to action, everything amazing. मुझे नहीं लगा कि ये कोई इंडियन फिल्म है या बॉलीवुड फिल्म है. It seemed like a Hollywood film, more like a Korean film, but like amazing. हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छी थी और this is a good change. Unbelievable. I was just like mind blown. What's your reaction? First reaction.
This was what he said. So essentially, we just saw birth of evolution in Bollywood cinema and a sub-genre that was created. So this is a mix of pure masala based on somewhat reality action, where the hero needs help, the hero is hurt. This is not Salman Khan or Tiger Shroff, one person coming, taking on a whole army by themselves, or like Gajini or anything like that. Like everything was
so realistic.
Everything was on point. And this is essentially birth of a new genre. And it's gonna take, I think it's gonna take a few years for it to catch on, but it's gonna catch on. This is gonna be something else.
And one thing is not doing very well at the box office.
No, it is. So it was made on a very small budget. So it's made about 8 crores Indian, whatever the case is. So it's doing fine with satellite, digital, music rights. I think it's gonna make more than enough.
Everybody's unknown. Everybody's unknown.
And one thing I do want to say is that the producers of John Wick have bought the rights for this movie, and they're gonna make it. Yeah, they have. Yeah, look it up. Yeah.
Okay.
The producers of John Wick have bought the rights for this movie, and they're gonna make it into a Hollywood film. And shout out to Lux, bro. I know Dostana 2, you were supposed to do that, but this was your best debut. Good luck to you.
Amazing.
It was amazing, man.
Messi, NYC, USA. Kill in USA. How was that?
No, so
India में तो फिल्म नहीं चली है.
no.
Chaliye.
So here's the thing. Indian cinema का level is very different than what we look at. Okay. उनके लिए सिर्फ उन्हें मसाला चाहिए, साउथ इंडियन स्टाइल स्टफ चाहिए कि केला उड़ के आ रहा है और आपके सीने में केला कर गया है. दिस इज नन ऑफ दैट. दिस वाज माय फीलिंग्स द होल टाइम वाज जब मैंने पहली बार कहो ना प्यारे देखी थी, एंड आई वाज लाइक ऋतिक जस्ट came out of nowhere and he's taking care of the whole industry. That's what I was looking at. This guy was amazing. The direction was amazing. Lights amazing. Of course, the action. Unbelievable.
VFX,
Unbelievable.
everything on point.
Unbelievable.
Everything looked realistic.
After a while, I've seen such a good movie.
Guys, when this movie started, I was hooked with the film. I usually do not get hooked with the film because I'm more techie inside when it comes to cinematography, storytelling. But trust me,
Unbelievable.
this movie, in the first when the story was building up at the setup, I was telling these guys, damn, this looks more Hollywoodish. And he actually corrected me. He said, it's more Korean. And I was like, damn, you were right. This is more Korean. And trust me, this movie, I usually do not get hooked to Hindi movies at all. Even though I am,
really
but
does.
not
He really
Bollywoodish
does.
at all.
He really
No
does.
way.
At all.
These guys know me pretty well. I was damn hooked. You gotta watch this movie. I love it.
First half में अगर आपको लगता है ना कि first half में you're seeing some crazy action, no. First half is like 30% of it.
Exactly.
That's when the
Yes.
movie actually starts. The second
Yeah.
half, killer.
That's
That's why it's
Second
called
half
kill.
is where it's like that's where it goes for kill.
Remember, it's not
Name.
exactly. It's not like they have built like $1 billion studio where too much CGI, VFX. Yes, there's some VFX in it,
Everything is on point.
but everything is so real, like John Wick. Everything is so good. You have no idea. Just go and watch it. That's how I would say.
Usually I'm very nice with my points, my reviews, but mind fucking blown.
Let's do it. Kill.